Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is about makeup product. Guys, building a makeup kit for the first time can be oddly stressful and it's hard to know what you really need. So today I'm gonna show you guys some makeup products which is really good for beginners. So without much wasting time, let's get started. Lakme 925cc Complexion Cream. CC is a nourishing cream that moisturizes, brightens and freshens your skin. It also protects your skin from the sun. It reveals an instant natural glow with a makeup finish. And it's perfect for everyday use. So pick the right shade from Bees, Bronze, Almond and Honey. And the price is 315 rupees in Indian currency. Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact. It has oil-absorbing formula that gives a matte and flawless look. 3 shades are available in the market: Melon, Apricot, Almond, and the price is 450 rupees in Indian currency. Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. This kajal is waterproof, smudge-proof, and lasts for a long time. The price is 210 rupees. Lakme 925 Black Impact Liner. This rich, intense black liner makes your look last longer. It has fast drying formula, giving your eyes a bold and dark impact to make that lasting impression. And this is one of my favorite eyeliner. Price is 200 rupees for 3.5 ml. Lakme Eyeconic Curling Mascara. This product is also my favorite. I'll recommend this product to those who are looking for regular wear mascara in an affordable price range. This mascara lengthens and curls the lashes and keeps them in a place for a long time. And the price is 499 rupees. Lakme Lip Love Lip Balm. To keep lip hydrated, this lip balm is perfect one before applying any lipstick. It moisturizes the lips and gives a nice color. This one is grape shade. There are different shades available in the market. So if you don't want to go with lipstick, this lip balm is good enough to complete your pretty makeup look. And the price is near about 200 rupees. Lakme 925 Creaseless Cream Lipstick. This shade name is Pink Affair and this shade gives a bold look. It's totally creaseless creamy matte formula, glides smoothly and hide lines in just one stroke. As a beginner, you can also use as an eyeshadow. Just take a little on fingertips and dab it on your eyelid area to complete your eye makeup. And the price is 450 rupees. Guys, that's all for today. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.